알감자에 잠들 때 듣는 북. 지금 바로 시작합니다. 잠시 폰들을 뒤로 해주시고 눈을 감아 들어봅시다. Are you from Brazil? Brazil is my home. Many animals live here too. Brazil is my home. I look like a red fox with long legs. I carry many rings along my back. Brazil is my home. My long-tongued garment rings too. Brazil is my home. I am the longest region in the world. Brazil is my home. My skin is many pretty colors, but don't touch me. I can kill with my poison. Brazil is my home. I am a small monkey with a long tail. Brazil is my home. I am the hardest nut in the world. Brazil is my home. I am very colorful with my long bill. Some people keep me as a pet. Brazil is my home. Watch out if you swim in the river. My teeth are sharp. All these animals are from Brazil. I am from Brazil too. The end. 여러분, 밤 잘 자시고요. 무조건 10시 전에 잠들으셔야 합니다. 그럼 10시 전에 꼭 잠드세요. 지금 시간이 10시 저희 다 되니까 지금 양치하고 잠들면서 영상 들으면서 잠드세요. 바이.